Welcome to Finance with Avery. In this video, I'm going to give an overview of the top 5 new bank account welcome bonuses with the reward amounts and the requirements. Because right now in this economic environment, there are several banks offering incentives to welcome new customers, to entice customers to join their bank, to open up an account with their bank. And all of the banks offering these checking accounts are FDIC insured. So your money with these accounts would be FDIC insured up to $250,000. If something happened to the bank, if they went under, went bankrupt or anything like that, your money would be protected. And all of these accounts do have different requirements with them. Some of them have a monthly maintenance fee and some of them do not, but I'll go over that and how to actually get rid of the monthly maintenance fee, because sometimes with accounts there's a monthly maintenance fee if you don't meet certain requirements, but if you meet those requirements then there's no monthly maintenance fee. However, this video is mainly about the welcome bonuses and the requirements, so I'm not going to go too in detail about the accounts themselves, but I definitely will go into detail about the reward amounts for these new accounts and how to obtain those reward amounts. It's pretty simple, pretty to the point. It's not going to be super in depth because there's not a lot of loops you have to jump through to get these welcome bonuses. There's only like 1 or 2 requirements, certain, date ranges and things like that. But we'll get into it. Not all of these accounts are able to be open in every state across the United States. A lot of times when you go to these websites, they'll ask you for your zip code. So they'll even see if you're eligible to open an account with them, because that will also determine if you're eligible to receive this bonus and have this welcome bonus with them as well. And without further ado, let's jump into what I think are the top 5 new bank account welcome bonuses. And number 5 is the SoFi checking account, which also comes with a savings account, because when you open up an account with SoFi, whether it be a savings or a checking account, you get the other one as well. So if you go into with the intention of opening up a checking account, well, you get a savings account. And if you're going into opening up a savings account, you get a checking account, but you don't have to use both. However, this bonus right here is for the checking account. You can earn up to $250 with a checking account with SoFi. And how you do that is very simple. First thing you'll do, of course, is you have the account open, and then you'll sign up and set up direct deposit. And then you'll wait for your direct deposit to hit your account, which is typically within 2 to 4 weeks. And then you'll collect your cash bonus of $50 to $250, depending on your direct deposit amount. And we'll get into that. And right here with the eligible amount, so there are a couple of reasons why this is number 5 on the list instead of number 3 or 2 or even 1. And 2 of them being is because of the evaluation period that you have to meet this direct deposit requirement amount is short. This is a 25-day period right here, and I'll get into detail of that. And also, to obtain that $250 cash bonus, you have to have a direct deposit total amount of $5,000 or more. So yeah, that's on the higher end. The evaluation period begins when SoFi receives a qualifying direct deposit within the promotion period, which this promotion goes on until the end of the year. So this promotion goes on until December 31st, 2023, until the end of the year. So the evaluation period begins whenever you receive your first qualifying direct deposit. And a qualifying direct deposit are defined as deposits from an enrolled member's employer, payroll, or benefits provider. They do not include anything like PayPal or Venmo or P2P, person-to-person payments, Stripe, Square, anything like that. And the evaluation period begins once SoFi receives that first qualifying direct deposit for you. It ends 25 days later. So within that amount of time is when you have to meet that total direct deposit required amount to obtain that cash bonus. So if your total direct deposits in that 25-day evaluation period are between $1,000 and $4,999.99, then your cash bonus is going to be $50. If your total qualifying direct deposit amount in that 25-day evaluation period is $5,000 or more, then your cash bonus will be $250. And SoFi will credit members who meet those qualification criteria within 7 business days of the end of the evaluation period. So it's pretty quick turnaround time as far as when you'll get your cash bonus, as far as when that direct deposit starts and everything. However, this SoFi cash reward bonus is on the higher end right there. As you see, if you get between $1,000 and underneath that $5,000, you just get $50 cash bonus. But to get that higher $250 amount, you have to have a total direct deposit amount of $5,000 or more in that 25-day evaluation period, which is obtainable for some people, but it's not going to be obtainable for, everybody, of course. So you may end up getting that $50 cash bonus, which is better than nothing. But however, if you have under $1,000 of direct deposits total amount in that 25-day evaluation period, well, then you won't get a bonus at all. And direct deposit is a big theme with the SoFi accounts, because with direct deposit with SoFi, you become a member of SoFi Plus, which which is a free premium membership with them, where you'll be able to get a higher APY on your savings account and, get more cash back if you have their credit card and different things like that. And so to get in that bonus, of course, you have to have direct deposit. So you're pretty much going to be in SoFi Plus once that direct deposit starts, and you'll get a list of benefits that you get with SoFi Plus that you get more than a regular membership with SoFi. And it's a free membership. The only requirement is that you have direct deposit set up. And another welcome bonus with the SoFi reward comes with my referral bonus. If you use my referral link down in the description when you open up your SoFi account, you'll get $25. All you have to do is fund your account with at least $10 within 14 days of opening your account, and then boom, you'll get $25 in your account as a welcome bonus, and I'll get $50. Full disclosure. So it's a win-win process, and this is on top of your direct deposit welcome reward bonus that you can get as well. So it doesn't take away from that or anything like that. So whether you get that $50 amount, then you'll get this $25 as well, or if you get that $250 amount, then you'll also get that $25 welcome bonus as well. But that's just another bonus on top of the direct deposit welcome bonus that you can get with SoFi with my referral link down in the description. And let's go on to number 4. And number 4 on the list is the BMO Harris Smart Advantage checking account and also the Smart Money checking account. With both of these accounts, you can obtain a $200 cash bonus with at least $4,000 in qualifying direct deposits within the first 90 days of opening your account. And also, there's a bigger bonus, but it requires a bigger amount of direct deposit. With the BMO Harris Premier checking account, you can get a $350 cash bonus, but you have to have a total of at least $7,500 in qualifying direct deposits within the first 90 days. So there is a bigger cash bonus amount available. However, you have to meet that requirement of direct deposit. That's way more than that $4,000. So instead of $4,000 total, you have to meet that $7,500 total. And that's also a different account. So there are different things with these accounts. So it's definitely, if you're interested in opening up an account with BMO Harris and you're wondering between the Smart Advantage account or the Smart Money account, it's definitely worth comparing those and seeing which one works out better for you. And for this video, I'm mostly focused on the Smart Advantage account because this one seems like it would appeal to more people, and also that cash bonus amount would also appeal to more people because you only have to have at least $4,000 in qualifying direct deposits total within the first 90 days. So that's several paychecks that can compile right there to meet that requirement, which a lot of people would be eligible for. And it's really simple to get this cash bonus amount right here. All you have to do is open an account online. It just takes a few minutes. Then make your qualifying direct deposits within 90 days of opening the account, and they'll reward you the cash bonus directly into your account. You don't have to do anything else. Really simple. 40,000 fee-free ATMs, banking on the go. Of course, all of these accounts right here from these different banks have, apps on the App Store. So you'll be able to obtain, account information and do different transactions like that within the app, because these are online checking accounts, all of these. However, some of these do have a physical presence. So it just depends on what area you're in. And some fine print with this reward bonus. To take advantage of this offer, you have to open your account between January 7th, 2023 and May 12th, 2023, and use the checking promo code. And typically when you go to their website, when you click on the link, that promo code is already embedded into the link and everything. So you just start filling out your information online through the link of obtaining that reward bonus, and you're pretty much going to qualify for it, as long as you, of course, meet the direct deposit requirements and everything. But that promo code is embedded pretty much in the link. And there's several ways you can open up your account with BMO. You can do it at a BMO branch online or by calling that number 1-800-546-6101. And this offer is limited to one per customer. It is not available to existing BMO personal checking customers or those who have closed a BMO personal checking account within the past 12 months. You can only be eligible for one checking cash bonus, and you cannot open multiple checking accounts and receive multiple cash bonuses. And day one is the day that you open your account and begins the tracking period. If you open your account on a day other than a business day, day one is the next business day. And the checking account type you have on day 90 will determine which cash bonus you're eligible for. In order to receive the cash bonus, you must meet the associated criteria for that account, and the cash bonus is paid into the checking account approximately 100 days after account opening. And with these accounts, there is a minimum opening deposit of $25 to open a BMO personal checking account. So that is a requirement that you'll have to do when you open the account, and that does not include the cash bonus. So you can't take away what your cash bonus is basically from that or vice versa, anything like that. You have to deposit $25 into the account to even open it. So that is a requirement right there. And that $25 does not go towards the direct deposit required total amount or anything like that. And they also want to note right here that accounts with a zero balance may be closed. So if you just open the account, don't make a deposit or anything, they may just close the account. And the same thing with the previous account, the qualifying direct deposits, those are deposits made by your employer or benefits provider. And they don't include anything like Venmo, PayPal, Stripe, or person-to-person payments. You can't, just transfer money from another account to this account or anything like that. Those will not qualify. It has to be a qualifying direct deposit. And a little more information on the BMO Advantage checking account. There's no monthly maintenance fee. They have, ATMs around and everything like that. And also down at the bottom right there, you see that minimum opening deposit amount of $25 is required. And now let's get to number 3 on the list. Number 3 on the list is the PNC checking account, and you can earn $200 when you open and use a new virtual wallet checking pro product. And I'll tell you a little bit more about that because that is a feature on top of their checking account. And so they have just a regular checking account with PNC. Of course, you have to open that. That's the main thing. You have to open that account, and then you have to use what it is called right here, this virtual wallet right here. So they have a couple of virtual wallet options. These are like free features with their checking accounts. The main one is the virtual wallet checking pro with spin, and in their virtual wallet, your checking account is called spin. So you'll see those terms kind of interchangeable right there. There's no monthly fees with this, and there's no initial deposit required to open it. And then there's also reserve and growth. They have different kind of features going on with their checking accounts. If you want like a savings with your checking account, something to reserve and grow, there's no additional cost with those either. Just something to look more into if you decide to open up a PNC checking account. You may want to look into those other features they have. But the main thing is you're going to want to have that virtual wallet checking pro that comes with your checking account right there. Because with that, you can earn $200 when you establish a total qualifying direct deposit amount of $2,000 or more to the new virtual wallet checking pro. So you just have to set that up, and they'll walk you through setting that up online and everything, or if you call them with the customer service. And let's jump into the fine print right here. And with the PNC checking, to qualify for the reward, the new virtual wallet product must be opened online via the application links from April 1st, 2023 through June 30th, 2023, and the qualifying direct deposits must be received within the first 60 days. And your virtual wallet product must remain open in order for you to receive the reward, which will be credited to the eligible account within 60 to 90 days after all conditions have been met and will be identified as credits check reward on your monthly statement. And a qualifying direct deposit is defined as a reoccurring direct deposit of a paycheck, pension, Social Security, or other regular monthly income electronically deposited by an employer or an outside agency into the spend account of a virtual wallet checking pro. And the total amount of all qualifying direct deposits credited to your spend account must be at least $2,000 for a virtual wallet checking pro. Credit card, cash, advance transfers, wire transfers, P2P transfers, person to person, and transfers from one account to another account, or deposits made at a physical PNC location or ATM do not qualify as direct deposits. So none of those transactions right there will qualify as direct deposits, and they won't go towards that total of $2,000 that you have to at least obtain to get the cash reward bonus. And a new account will not be eligible for the offer if you or any signer of the new account has an existing PNC Bank consumer checking account or has closed an account within the past 90 days. Or has been paid a PNC promotional premium in the past 24 months. And if multiple accounts are open with the same signers, only one account will be eligible for the premium cash bonus. And trust, estate, and other specialty title accounts are excluded from this offer. And with all these offers right here, the value of the reward may be reported on the appropriate IRS Internal Revenue Service forms and may be considered taxable income to you. So they just say, consult with your tax advisor regarding your specific situation. All right, and that is it with number 3, the PNC checking account with the Virtual Wallet Pro product. Let's get to number 2. Number 2 on the list is the Wells Fargo Everyday Checking Account. And with Wells Fargo, they have a $300 checking account bonus going on that ends on June 27, 2023. And to obtain this $300 cash checking bonus, all you have to do is open an everyday checking account with Wells Fargo, which has a minimum opening deposit amount of $25, and also complete the qualifying requirements with direct deposit. Let's get into those details. And to get that $300 bonus, all you have to do is open a new everyday checking account by June 27th of 2023, which has a minimum opening deposit of $25. And you can do that online, or you can go to a Wells Fargo branch locally if you have one near you. And after you open the account, all you have to do is set up direct deposit and receive a total of $1,000 or more of qualifying direct deposits to your new checking account within 90 calendar days of account opening. And once the 90-day qualification period has elapsed, Wells Fargo will determine if you met the offer requirements and will deposit the bonus into your new checking account within 30 days. So a pretty simple process right there, in a low amount on the direct deposit. As you see, the previous direct deposit requirement amounts were higher. That's why this was number 2 on the list, because $1,000 or more within 90 calendar days, that would be an easy target to meet for sure. You don't even have to, and with these direct deposit amounts, you don't necessarily have to deposit your whole check into these accounts. When I have direct deposit set up right now with my accounts, I have it going to like 2 different accounts. So you can do a partial direct deposit to this account or to a different accounts to, meet that required amount. You don't have to do your whole checking amount. Some of these accounts to that $7,500 amounts or things like that, you may have to put a good chunk of your check or all of it or something like that to meet those requirements. However, with the Wells Fargo, $1,000 or more within 90 calendar days, you can do that, with a partial amount from your check on your monthly amount or your bi-weekly, however you get paid. You can hit that $1,000 in 90 calendar days without depositing your whole paycheck into this new account. So it's just up to you how you want to do that. This isn't financial advice or anything like that. This is financial education and entertainment and awareness. And now let's jump into some of the fine print with this Wells Fargo everyday checking account. And this offer is for new checking account customers only, and all Wells Fargo consumer checking accounts are eligible for this offer, with the exception of checking accounts offered by Wells Fargo Private Bank. You must use your bonus offer code at account opening when you apply for the new eligible Wells Fargo checking account. And you are not eligible for this offer if you are a current owner of a Wells Fargo consumer checking account, you have received a bonus for opening a Wells Fargo consumer checking account within the past 12 months, or if you are a Wells Fargo employee. So if you meet any of those 3 right there, you would not be eligible for this offer. And as with the previous accounts, a qualified direct deposit is an electronic deposit from your salary, pensions, Social Security, or other income or benefits provider. And there are things, of course, that don't qualify as direct deposits. Those would be like transfers from another bank, mobile deposits, deposits made at a branch or ATM, anything like that. Those are not qualifying direct deposits. And a direct deposit made available early with early payday does not count towards the bonus requirements until it posts to your account and is no longer pending. And as stated before, once the 90-day qualification period has elapsed, Wells Fargo will determine if you met the requirements and will deposit the bonus into your new checking account within 30 days. And the new checking account must remain open through the 90-day qualification period and at the time that they attempt to deposit the earned bonus into your account. And they state that any account with a 0 balance may be closed without prior notice, as further described in their deposit account agreement. And they state that you are responsible for any federal, state, or local taxes due to the bonus, and the bonus will be reported as income to the tax authorities if required by applicable law. And as stated at the beginning, the offer expires on June 27, 2023. However, it may be discontinued or changed at any time prior to the expiration date without notice. So just keep that in mind. If you're opening the account, make sure you see that the bonus is still going on their website. And that's some of the fine print right there. And also with the Wells Fargo everyday checking account, there is a monthly service fee that is on this account. However, it can be avoided if you meet certain requirements. So the monthly service fee can be avoided with one of the following each fee period. If you have a $500 minimum daily balance, or if you have $500 or more in total qualifying direct deposits, or if the primary account holder is 17 to 24 years old, or if the account is linked to a Wells Fargo campus ATM card or campus debit card. So there are 4 main ways right there that you can avoid that monthly service fee with the Wells Fargo everyday checking account. A lot of people are going to meet it, with that $500 minimum daily balance. So as long as you have a $500 minimum daily balance right there within each fee period, then you won't get charged that fee. However, a lot of people are going to meet it with the qualifying direct deposit amounts, because if you get $500 or more in total qualifying direct deposits within that monthly fee period right there, then you won't get charged that monthly fee. And then some people are going to meet it because of their age. Between 17 years old and 24 years old, you won't get charged that fee. And then some students can avoid the fee if they have that Wells Fargo campus ATM card or campus debit card. And that eligibility is based on university and college participation in the Wells Fargo campus card program. So it just depends if your college is a part of that program or not. So those are 4 main ways right there that you can avoid that monthly service fee with that Wells Fargo checking account. And now let's get to number 1 on the list. Number one on the list is the Chase Total Checking Account, because you can earn $200 once you open this account and set up direct deposit within 90 days of enrollment. And that's it. There is no total direct deposit required amount for this, and you have 90 days to set up direct deposit. And this offer expires on July 19th, 2023. It's pretty simple, pretty easy with this one because they don't have a total direct deposit required amount. All you have to do is actually set up direct deposit within 90 days of opening the account, and then you get $200. Let's get into more details of this. So all you have to do is open the checking account online with the coupon code, or enter your email address to get your coupon code emailed to you, and then bring it to a Chase branch to open the account. And typically when you open an account online through a link, you just got to make sure you open it up on the promotion page, and that coupon code will be embedded in the link. So all you have to do, that first step right there, is open the checking account. And then step number two is set up direct deposit within 90 days of coupon enrollment. And that coupon enrollment is pretty much going to be the date that you open the account, because you're going to be using the coupon when you're opening the account, that coupon code. So number two is set up direct deposit within 90 days of enrollment. And on number three on the list is not up to you. They just state that you will receive the bonus within 15 days. And let's get into the fine print right here. This offer is not available to existing Chase checking customers or those whose accounts have been closed within 90 days or closed with a negative balance within the last 3 years. You can receive only one new checking account opening related bonus every 2 years from the last coupon enrollment date, and only one bonus per account. And the coupon is good for a one-time use. To receive the bonus, you just open your account, which is subject to approval, and then have your direct deposit made to the account within 90 days of enrollment. Your direct deposit needs to be an electronic deposit of your paycheck, pension, or government benefits such as Social Security from your employer or the government. Person-to-person payments such as Zelle, P2P payments are not considered direct deposit. Anything like that, Venmo, PayPal, transactions, deposits at ATMs, anything like that, that is not a qualifying direct deposit. And micro deposits do not qualify as a direct deposit. And micro deposits are small deposits, typically of less than $1, that are sent to verify your account, things like that. That's not a direct deposit. And after you meet those requirements, Chase will deposit the bonus in the new account within 15 days. And to receive the bonus, the enrolled new account must not be closed or restricted at the time of payout, and eligibility may be limited based on account ownership. The bonus is considered interest and will be reported to the IRS Form 1090-INT or Form 1042-S if applicable. And with the Chase Total Checking Account, they do have a monthly service fee of $12. However, that $12 monthly service fee can be avoided if you meet certain criteria. So that $12 monthly service fee can be turned to zero, so no fee, with one of the following each monthly statement period. All you have to do is meet one of the criteria right here within each monthly statement period. So if you have qualifying direct deposits totaling $500 or more, you won't receive a monthly service fee. Also, if you have a balance at the beginning of each day of $1,500 or more, you won't receive a monthly service fee. Or if you have an average beginning day balance of $5,000 or more in combination of this account and linked qualifying Chase checking, savings, or other balances, then you won't receive that monthly service fee. So there are 3 ways to avoid that $12 monthly service fee. You either have a total qualifying direct deposits of $500 or more each monthly statement period, or have a balance at the beginning of each day of $1,500 or more in this new checking account, or you can have an average beginning day balance of $5,000 or more in combination of this new checking account and any linked qualifying Chase checking, savings, or other balances in other Chase accounts. So 3 ways right there to avoid that fee. So that is it with the number one on the list, the Chase Total Checking Account. You can get $200 once you open the account and set up direct deposit within 90 days of enrollment. And that offer expires July 19th, 2023. And so that is it with the video of the top 5 new bank account welcome bonuses. And these are eligible in the month of April 2023 right here when this video is released. As you see in the video, the dates range, with some of the offers expiring in May, offer expiring in July, and offer going into the end of the year. It just depends on which account and everything. So definitely pay attention to those dates when you're signing up for the accounts, and the requirement amounts when it comes to the qualifying direct deposit and how long you have to obtain that total qualifying direct deposit to get that reward bonus. Hope you all enjoyed the video. Take care.